How do you describe 2 activities that you do in one sentence? If you'll be able to combine more than 2 verbs in one sentence, you can make longer and more complicated sentences. Hi, what's up guys? I'm Ayu from Japanese with Ayu. 皆さんこんにちは。Ayu です。Today, we practice combining more than 2 verbs with te form to describe more than 2 activities in a sentence. Now, you can use te form that we learned last time. If you haven't watched the previous video, go watch this first and come back here later. It is pretty easy. You just need to remember all the te form conjugation. First, I'll give you an example. I woke up at 6 and studied. So, to make this sentence here, you need to think about verbs. There are 2 verbs here. First is to wake up, then second is to study. So, you need to combine 2 verbs in a sentence. The first verb, you need to change it to te form. The last one, you don't have to change it to te form. But here is past tense. I woke up and studied. So the last part, only the last part, you can just change it to past tense. Okay, so what is the verb to wake up in Japanese? 起きる, right? So 起きる, te form is 起きて. 起きて. Okay, then next one is study. Study is 勉強する. 勉強する. So, 起きて勉強しました. You can just say short form here. It's up to you. Both are fine. 勉強しました or 勉強した. した is okay. But you need to add the time here. I woke up at 6. So, first, 6時に朝6時に起きて勉強した. So, like this is actually order. So the translation is literally I woke up at 6 first and then studied. That's how you make 2 verbs or more than 2 verbs in a sentence. So if there are 3 verbs, you can just change the te form for the first and second verbs. And then the last one, just finish. Something します or しました past tense. Like this. Okay, so let's practice together. I'll have a shower and then go out. Can you make a sentence? So first, have a shower. シャワーを浴びる. That's the verb. シャワーを浴びる. So change it to te form. シャワーを浴びて浴びて Go out is 出かける出かける So シャワーを浴びて出かけますシャワーを浴びて出かけます Now I'll give you some quiz here. So try to make a sentence in Japanese. You can write this as you pause or you can write down in the comment section below. The answer will be at the end of the video. Alright, let's start. 1番 I'll give you some quiz here. And there are 3 different levels. So the first, level 1, level 2, level 3, as it goes more and more difficult. Okay? So first, level 1. I take a train and go to school every day. 2番 I buy a book and read it at home. 3番 I help my mother and eat a cake. 4番 I close the curtain and go to bed. Now, level 2. 5番 I went to the library and returned the book yesterday. 6番 I called my friend and talked for 2 hours. 7番 I got off the bus and ran to my friend's house. 8番 I sat down and smoked outside. Now it's level 3, the most difficult one. 9番 I traveled other countries and learned a lot of languages. 10番 I closed the door, turned off the light, and went to bed at 11 o'clock last night. 11番 I opened the textbook, studied for 30 minutes, then forgot everything. 12番 I had breakfast with my family and left for work at 8 a.m. Hi, how was it? So actually, see, so once you learn tail form, you'll be able to say so many things. Okay? This is just chapter 6 on Genki 1. If you're not confident yet, please watch this video as many times as you want. If you can't think of like the sentences, it's just practice. And also you want to have an opportunity to talk to Japanese people, obviously, because if you don't practice, it's not going to be better. So, if you don't have anyone to talk to, I'm always here. Please book my online lesson. We can talk, we can practice more with the grammar that you learned, okay? Also, I made a PDF, so if you haven't signed up for the emailing list, go to the link in the description below. You get the free PDF to study along with. I really recommend you this. Now, let's check the answer. Number 1, I take a train and go to school every day. 私は so first time, right? So every day. 私は毎日電車に乗って学校に行きます。Okay? Repeat. 私は毎日電車に乗って学校に行きます。I buy a book and read it at home. 本を買って家で読みます。本を買って家で読みます。Number 3. I help my mother and eat cake. 私は So help here is not 助ける. If you look up the dictionary, it says help is 助ける, but 助ける actually means rescue someone, that kind of help. So give you a hand. This kind of help is 手伝う. Okay? So give you a hand. 手伝う. 私はお母さんを or 母 is fine. 母を手伝ってケーキを食べます。はい、repeat. 私はお母さんを手伝ってケーキを食べます。Number 4. I close the curtain and go to bed. カーテンを close 閉めて閉める is a verb. カーテンを閉めて寝ます。Go to bed is same as to sleep. Okay? So 寝ます。Repeat. カーテンを閉めて寝ます。カーテンを閉めて寝ます。Now, level 2. I went to the library and returned the book yesterday. 昨日 first. 昨日図書館に行ってに here, okay? The particle is go to. So に図書館に行って本を返しました。Past tense, okay? 本を返しました。Returned. 返しました。Okay? Repeat. 昨日図書館に行って本を返しました。Number 6. I called my friend and talked for 2 hours. 友達に So call is 電話する verb here. 電話する becomes して So 友達に電話して2 hours is 2時間 Not 2 o'clock, not 2時2時間2時間話しました話す to talk, speak 話しました Repeat 友達に電話して2時間話しました友達に電話して2時間話しました You can drop 私 Number 7. I got off the bus and ran to my friend's house. バスを降りて to get off を降りる バスを降りて友達の家に走りました。Repeat. バスを降りて友達の家に走りました。Number 8. I sat down and smoked outside. Outside is 外。外で here because the action is happening at the place. 外で座ってタバコを吸いました。Smoke, you have to say タバコを。Okay? タバコを吸いました。Repeat. 外で座ってタバコを吸いました。Number 9. I traveled other countries and learned a lot of languages. So, other countries. 他 is other. 他の国。Okay? 他の国を旅行する to travel 旅行して okay? A lot of たくさんの language is 言語たくさんの言語を learned is 習う or 学ぶ either way is fine but 習う is especially for learning from someone else learning like you have someone to teach you that's 習う 学ぶ is basically like self-study okay so here just say 学ぶI assume that there's not the teacher to teach you but the more experience that teach you right so、他の国を旅行してたくさんの言語を学びました他の国を旅行してたくさんの言語を学びました。Number 10. I closed the door, turned off the light, and went to bed at 11 last night. door is door. ドアを閉めて light is 電気 turned off 電気を消して so telephone again 11時11 o'clock 11時に寝ました So last night you want to put that at first So last night is 昨日の夜 Okay? So 昨日の夜ドアを閉めて Maybe you put 11 o'clock as well 11 o'clock with last night here So 昨日の夜11時にドアを閉めて電気を消して寝ました。Okay, repeat. 昨日の夜11時にドアを閉めて電気を消して寝ました。11. I opened the textbook, studied for 30 minutes, and forgot everything. So, 教科書を開けて、open, 開けて、30分勉強して、全部忘れました。Everything is 全部。Okay? 全部忘れました。Repeat. 教科書を開けて、30分勉強して、全部忘れました。Last one. I had breakfast with my family and left for work at 8 a.m. So first, 家族と朝ごはんを食べて left for work. Don't think about that in literal translation. Left for work means just went to work, right? So you can just, whenever you hear something like kind of difficult to translate with the words that you learned or you have already, just replace something to easier words or things you already know or you can say. So, left for work, don't think that too difficult. It is just went to work. Okay? So, 朝ごはんを食べて仕事に行きました。8時ね。そう、8時に仕事に行きました。Repeat. 家族と朝ごはんを食べて8時に仕事に行きました。Okay, how was it? How many did you get it right? Please let me know in the comment section below. Okay, so that's all for today. If you liked today's lesson, please give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Hit the notification button so you won't miss any of my lesson videos from now on. If you are interested in my one-on-one online lesson or tour guide in Japan, go have a look at my website in the description as well. So thank you so much for watching. I'll see you soon in next video or in my lesson. 今日もありがとうございました。また次回お会いしましょう。バイバイ。